Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. I'm um, Today's the game of in the motivational space, the how to make money on Facebook and Instagram. The Facebook, the launching 2023 January, the lot of make money income, the online platform. This the make money, the Instimate and Facebook Reels and startup. Very system easy to how to make money. You can give one mobile number, one Gmail account, the create and Facebook account, and create seal account, create Instagram. Your very easy income and Facebook page. The two type Facebook page income. Your lot of Facebook page monetization and the selling, the marketplace, and your blogging, tour page, education page, traveling page, online shop page, clothing page, fashion page, jewelry page, etc. page, creating your videos, your business run. The how to lot of make money, the gain your own business, the Facebook page creation, as like jewelry page, fashion page, clothing page, mobile page, t-shirt page, pant, shirt, everything's clothing page, and jewelry page, fashion page, the lot of your own market and international market, the easily the Facebook page boost up the lot of people, the 3 billion to 25 billion people uses the Facebook, the whole world. You can active user your page, the follower following the your page, the monetization, approval, how to make money, and others income, your business, your product, selling the Facebook page. The extra income, YouTube shorts. You 10 second, 20 second, 30 second, 40 second, the under 60 second make a create videos, the income, the uploading the YouTube short and Facebook Reels. The how to make money, the Facebook Reels. The Facebook, your continue work on Facebook, lot of oil, the local market, international market, the service, Facebook page, Facebook post design, the Facebook follower, Facebook video watching, Facebook, lot of service. You can start today's the Facebook, very easy how to make money, Facebook page and Facebook profile. The whole world, lot of people uses Facebook. So short time reach your business, your brand value, the Facebook marketing. The present time, the biggest social network and social platform, the Facebook. You are day they establish your business. I request them the marketing, the Facebook marketing, how to make money, own, and your buyers, you, the customers, valuable customers, this service, marketplace, Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer, local marketplace, your offer, sharing, social network, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So you can start today the how to make money of Facebook marketing. Thank you.